Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while playing the game Forza Horizon 6. You got a crashing error message, game crash with error code FHE01. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, right click on the game, go to its properties. From the left pane, click on install files and click on the option verify integrity of the game files. It will take few minutes, and once the integrity is verified, minimize it. Now you need to open up your web browser and download latest Microsoft Visual C++ right into your system. For that, scroll down and these are two links. You need to download both the links of the Microsoft Visual C++ into your system for x86 and for x64. Once downloaded, install them into your system, and once both Microsoft Visual C++ install into your PC, relaunch your game and hopefully this will fix out the issue. Although if this failed to work out, first of all, make sure whenever you hit the play option while launching the game, you must unplug your Xbox or Steam controller from your system. First unplug the controller, whether it is Steam or the Xbox. After unplugging, I have 2 or 3 different software. First one is Citrix Workspace, second one is MSI Afterburner, and third one is Riva Tuner. If you have installed one of these programs into your system, I highly recommend to completely uninstall Riva Tuner, MSI Afterburner and Citrix Workspace. These 3 programs are conflicting with anti-cheat software of the Forza Horizon 6, and that's why you are getting the game crashing issue. So make sure uninstall all 3 softwares, unplug the Steam or Xbox controller and then hit the play option. Once the game is launched, you can again replug your controller to play the game. I hope this will completely fix out your crashing issues with the game. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.